see the timer. So
yes, can we shift to the next, please?
Okay. So this is the semen analysis report of the male partner. And below are the investigations of Mrs. Stephanie Graham, the follicular phase biochemistry, the testosterone, the prolactin, and sex hormone binding globulin. So you have noted down, Dr. Sanchi?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So now I'll shift you to the role player, and you'll have 10 minutes of discussion where you can ask the role player the questions, or rather she'll ask you the questions. You can have a discussion. So now you'll be facing the role player. Okay?
Okay.
So you can see the timer here. We'll start. Okay.
Hello, good morning. My name is Dr. Shachi. I'm one of the doctors in clinic today. Can I first know your name and confirm your age?
I am Mrs. Stephanie Graham and my age is 32.
And how would you like to be addressed?
Stephanie.
Okay. So Stephanie, I've gone through your GP's letter and I can see that you and your husband, John, have been trying for a baby since about 2 years. You've got a couple of tests done and we're here to discuss the results. Is there any other concern you'd like me to address today?
Actually, me and my husband have been trying, it's been over a year and we've been trying to conceive, but we haven't been able to do that. So I just wanted to discuss that report because I have been told by the GP that there is some issue with my husband's report, but my report was